First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging.
What's up, roses? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and welcome to the Roses family. So we are first starting off with that DIY hair growth oil, and I'm going to be putting up a video about that. So stay tuned for that good stuff, y'all. Right here, before I start anything with my bun, I just like to take the time to do a scalp massage, generally for like 10 minutes. Depending on how, if I'm rushing 5 to 10 minutes, I'll just kind of massage that oil on my scalp. Just getting my hair ready for a bun, especially if it's going to be up all day like that. Then I'm just going to go in with some Shea Butter. Get this at your local beauty supply store. So sorry, y'all. I did not record this part. I don't know how I got distracted with my toddler, but right now I'm just putting on Eco Styler gel, and I use the black one. I'll link it down below. Then I'm just going to go through and detangle. Then I'm just brushing my hair. I don't know about y'all, but do y'all brushes ever stay pretty? Like, this brush is so ugly now, like over the years.
Let your emotion walk, follow me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball.
So when it comes to achieving the perfect top knot bun, this step right here is key. Like, this is key. So instead of just, it's all about the hand placements. Instead of just holding my hand like in a regular way, how I would hold it, putting my hair in a bun, I'm actually twisting my hand so that I can flip the bun, the hair forward, if that makes sense. I'm gonna just let y'all see. But this way it gets all the hair in there and my bun's not looking like a struggle bun. This makes it like super thick and gives me that volume, gives me that height that I want. So I hope this makes sense, y'all. I kind of tried to zoom in so y'all can see it. Then I just go through and I just put bobby pins where I need to be. It's a little frizzy on the top because it's wash weekend. And I just go through and lay those edges. I suck at laying my edges, but hey, it don't matter as long as it got laid. This stuff is so awesome. As you can see, just laying your edges, like, look at how it just like takes your bun from like boom to like, oh, you could do better, sis. That's why you gotta lay them edges. I started laying my edges a little late in the game. My best friend is the one who taught me how to do it. Shout out to you, Shakira. What's up, girl?
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Thank y'all roses so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me see some pics of y'all buns. Peace out.